Today I will show you a complete guide on how to manage and customize your download settings inside Google Chrome on your PC. This will help you control exactly where your files get saved and how Chrome handles every download. First, I opened Google Chrome from my desktop. Once Chrome was opened, I went to the top right corner and clicked on the three dots. From the menu list, I clicked on Settings. The settings interface opened and on the left side panel I clicked on Download. A new section appeared where all download settings are available. The first option was Location. This tells Chrome where your downloaded files are being saved. By default, Chrome saves everything to the downloaded folder inside your file manager. If you want to save your downloaded files somewhere else, like the desktop or a custom folder, you can simply click on the change button. I clicked on it and my file manager opened. From there you can choose any folder you prefer and set it as your default download folder. Next, I scroll down to the second option. Ask where to save each file before downloading. If this setting is off, Chrome will automatically save files to the default folder you selected earlier. But if you turn it on, Chrome will ask you every time where you want to save the files. This is helpful if you save different types of files in different folders. I turn this option on so Chrome will always ask me where to save my files. Below that was another option, show download when they are done. I turned this on as well. With this enabled, every time a file finished downloading, Chrome will show a small pop-up at the bottom so you can open the file instantly without searching for it. These settings help you keep your PC organized and make your download process much easier to control. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss my next tech tutorial.